Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the Amozo case, the hybrid one for my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And I had been using the similar case for my iPhone 12 mini, and more than 1 year I had no issues, no white and yellowing and all. So y'all can definitely do check this out. The back is made from acrylic, guys. That is one of the reason I purchased it. And as you can see over here from the packaging, it is decent enough, and this sort of looks like a Spigen Hybrid Ultra or Ultra Hybrid. And this is one of the best cases which is available for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And also I'll be comparing this with my existing case which I'm using, and the metal sort of a button, but it's not metal, it is plastic, which is really good in the hands. And guys, if you are new to this channel, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. Also do follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at the rate Creativesoft. And comparing this particular case, guys, with my previous, I feel like the black bumper is really going to give you that stealthy look, and the acrylic back does not get yellow, guys. This is one of the reasons to consider this particular case. By the way, Amazon is not sponsoring me or anything for this. I just purchased it with my own money, and this is my previous Amazon case which I have recently done a review on. And this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the 256 GB variant, and I got it in this Spigen gray or dark color. So, and this is totally different from the graphite variant, guys. And I feel this is one of the best phones which is available in the market, which comes with this surgical grade stainless steel. And let me just compare the previous case also. The transparent one is right now the favorite which I am rocking, and I think the lanyard hook is on either side of both the cases. And if you see, guys, the dimensions etc is almost identical, except the buttons, if you see, of this particular case is different from this. And there is this kind of black guard which is available only for the the black variant, I would say. And in my case, guys, I'll be rocking the complete transparent one compared to this, because I feel I just want a different kind of taste when it comes to this 14 Pro Max. Let me just quickly install it, and installing it no hassle, guys. It is beautifully fitting inside, and it is bit of a snug fit with all these Amozo cases. Let me just remove the plastic over here, and this is how it looks. It really looks damn gorgeous. So if you are a fan of this black color with stealthy black cases, then definitely you all should consider this. And the sides are rubbery and it's made finish, guys, and the ports cut out and all are excellent, I would say. Even the buttons are great, guys. And if you can see over here, I'd been using this for about a year, more than a year, with my iPhone 12 mini, and I had no issues, the same case. And definitely this is going to head up against upcoming years and all. So if you all are looking for one of the fantastic cases, guys, this is available for less than 300, maybe around 270. Check out the link in the description to help my channel, guys. So, and if you see, I'm not going to get too many fingerprints, the glass is good, and even the camera protection is awesome, guys. You have this kind of raised lip which is going to protect your camera just in case you drop your phone. And I feel this is a added feature for security of your iPhone, guys. So I hope let me just check if the mute switch is accessible, and yes, it is accessible too. Even the ports, cutouts, everything, which I really like. And especially this kind of color, guys, especially if you're buying the purple color and all, you can go with a clear case and all, just to show off the color. And as you can see, the speaker grill on top is accessible, and very much you will be able to hear this. So I really like the way Amozo designs their cases. It is one of the most brilliant cases for this particular price range. You will not going to get it anywhere, guys. So do consider this and check this out in the link in the description, guys, to get it from Amazon. And highly recommended, because I have already done the case reviews of this particular case for my iPhone 11, 12, the 12 mini also. And I had no issues with this. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, and also check out these particular videos which we have it, also the playlist. Let me know in the comments below which case you all are using for your iPhone 14 Pro Max, guys. And again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see my next video.